Welcome to my workshop in Hartland in North Devon. Today I'm going to look at dovetails. Dovetailing is a fascinating field and there are numerous different kinds. We have here an example of a single lap dovetail, such as you would find at the front of a drawer. This is a Japanese joint. It's called the twisted dovetail because when you think about it, it clearly can't be taken apart in this direction, and it clearly can't be taken apart in that direction. So that's a bit of a trick joint. Talking of trick joints, I have this rather wonderful thing here, just a rough version. I learned it from Roy Underhill. We have a similar thing going on. It can't be taken apart there, and it can't be taken apart there. So there's something very strange going on, but I'm not sure how useful that particular one is. Here we have the secret mitre dovetail, and some people find this disappointing because at the end of the day all you see is a mitre. But it's extremely strong, and it was used in places like the plinths of great heavy bits of furniture. I'm going to concentrate entirely on through dovetailing today because I have a few different methods to show you which I hope are going to help you with your work.